about how can you search for events on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click it on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on primary city here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on find events here. So then here can you just search for your events here. Then it's going to show for you video, and there can you find your online events and nearby events here. So that's all you have to do to search for your events on your app. That's all you have to do. I wish you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.